Welcome. Please excuse me for the absence. So I was thinking today we should go rip some packs. FPV no, Phantom yes, and we're gonna try a new spot. We're gonna go to the Rose Bowl. So what do you say? Let's get at it. We made it. Berry. For zero sugar, it's got a lot of taste. I do want to do an orbit around the football statue, and also I want to do a fly over the football statue, board the Rose Bowl style. So let's get that. Let me roll this window down. All right, so RC, I hope to see you. That's the guy who came up to me while droning and was like, we're running this cornhole tournament inside the Rose Bowl, and it'd be awesome. I was thinking for next year if you would come there and film what we got going on. And film what we got going on. So I hope to hear from you, RC. But other than that, I mean, you see that footage? I got some moves. Woo-wee. This was a good spot. Don't tell everybody. All right. Anyways, wherever you are, I hope you've helped someone today in some way. But you don't have to. I hope you had a great day. I hope you got some packs in. By the way, yep, it's still there. Can you see? Where are they? I hope you can see those two little red dots there, because ladybugs bite. Ladybugs bite. All right. So now you know ladybugs bite. We just droned the Rose Bowl. I hope you had a great day. If you found the time to help somebody, kudos to you. You don't have to though. See you in the next one.